हेलो फ्रेंड्स। मैं सीए अतुल जगनानी। आज मैं आपको एक करंट गोइंग आईपीओ का एनालिसिस दूंगा जिसका नाम है ईएमएस लिमिटेड। सो ईएमएस लिमिटेड 2012 में फॉर्म हुई थी, जो कि जिसका पहले नाम था ईएमएस इंफ्राकॉन। ये कंपनी बेसिकली इट इज इन बिजनेस ऑफ प्रोवाइडिंग वाटर एंड वेस्ट वाटर कलेक्शन, ट्रीटमेंट एंड डिस्पोजल सर्विसेज, मेजरली फॉर द गवर्नमेंट बॉडीज एंड अथॉरिटीज। कंपनी की आज currently company has an order book of 1845 CR and many orders are in pipeline. Its financial performance was static during FY21 and 22, majorly due to pandemic. But FY23 showed a robust performance, which is indicating a bright future of the company. Company has its own team of engineers, so dependence on the external consultants are very less. The major objective from this IPO is to use the net proceeds from IPO towards funding the working capital requirement of the company and for general other corporate purposes. Now let us understand IPO की details क्या क्या है। आईपीओ 8 सितंबर 2023 को स्टार्ट हुआ था एंड इट विल क्लोज ऑन 12 सितंबर 2023। इसकी प्राइस रेंज दो सौ रुपए से लेके 211 रुपए पर शेयर की है एंड इसका मिनिमम लॉट साइज है 70 शेयर। सो फॉर अ रिटेल इन्वेस्टर विद एप्लीकेशन अमाउंट ऑफ 14,000 रुपीज, वन कैन अप्लाई फॉर अ मिनिमम लॉट ऑफ 70 शेयर्स। इसकी लिस्टिंग डेट 21 सितंबर की करी गई है। Now, let us understand the financial of the company. तो जैसे मैंने बताया है कि FY21-22 में स्टैटिक परफॉर्मेंस थी, विच इज रिफ्लेक्टिंग ऑन द स्क्रीन कि उनकी रेवेन्यू FY21-23 में अराउंड 300 CR के आसपास है, बट FY23 its revenue has increased to 543 CR. Similarly, the PAT has increased from 78 CR in 31st March on 22 to 108 CR in 31st March 2023, which is indicating a very good financials for the company. Company's price earning ratio is really decent. It has a low price earning ratio. Its EPS is very attractive. It is at a 23.15. It has a fairly good ROE and return on capital employed. Now let us compare the company performance with the peer group company, which is V8 Tech Wabag Limited. So as I told you, the EPS the company is fairly good. It is lower than its peer group company, but still it is a recent EPS ratio. Similarly, the return on net worth of the company is very good due to its strong financials. So now let us understand the strength, weakness, opportunity and threats of the company. जैसे मैंने बताया कि company is a specialized business of designing the complex project related to water and sewage infra solution. It has a dedicated team of engineers which reduces the dependence on the external consultant. It has an order book of 1845 CR. Its major projects are funded by World Bank, which assures payment and less dependence on the working capital. Now let us understand the weakness. Business of the company are highly dependent on four states: UP, Bihar, Uttarakhand, and Rajasthan. So any factor which may affect the states will affect the company performance. Also, the company has a negative cash flow due to high working capital requirement for the such a infra as it's a infra company. Now let us understand the opportunity. Its business model is a niche base. So it is supported by a good fundamental and financial. So it has a tremendous growth opportunity. The threats. The major projects of the company relates to government projects. So any change in the policy of government may affect the operation and financial of the company significantly. In fact, in the past, company has been blacklisted by two government bodies in the past. However, still the company's IPO price is at a very reasonable valuation due to its robust order book, government focus on improving groundwater management, and a company has a very good healthy financial performance. Also, the as I mentioned earlier, it has a low PE ratio, which is a good indicator, and it is performing very good in the gray market in the IPO. So, based on all the parameters, I recommend for subscribing this IPO, not only for a good listing gain, but also for the long-term growth of the long-term growth for the investor, as IPO is very lucratively priced. Thank you.